Are you winterizing your pool? If so, you'll need a winter kit as it's the final step before covering your pool for the winter months. Winter kits use specifically formulated chemicals that maintain your pool water throughout the winter months. With the pool cover on, pump and filter off, and no water cycling, your pool becomes a great place for algae and other contaminants to grow. We recommend using the OnGuard Pool Winterizing Closing Kit. The 30,000 gallon kit accommodates most in-ground pool sizes from a 16 foot by 32 foot rectangle all the way up to a 20 foot by 40 foot rectangle, as well as anything larger than and including a 27 round above ground. These kits are created to ensure you're using the proper amounts of each chemical and not purchasing too much or too little. Every kit includes the following products. Winter Algaecide. The Algaecide is built to last for an extended amount of time. Winterizing cartridge and foam collar. Holes are created in the floater, allowing for a slow release of borate over the winter months to be used as a disinfectant and working to rid the water of contaminants. Stain and scale prevention. Stain and scale preventer is another component that aggressively works to prevent minerals and metals from building up and depositing on the surfaces of the pool. Our team has many years of pool experience and would be happy to help advise and answer any questions that you may have. Visit our product page link in the description for more pool sizes and to purchase this kit. Thanks for watching.